Welcome to our language learning series. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of modern American English and explore a collection of engaging sentences that will help you reconnect with others. Whether you're meeting an old friend after a long time or simply looking to enhance your conversational skills, these sentences will empower you to initiate meaningful conversations and create lasting connections. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Start incorporating these modern American English sentences into your interactions. Let's embark on this journey together.
Hey, stranger! It's been too long. How have you been?
Wow, I almost didn't recognize you. Time has really flown by. What's new?
Long time no see. What's the latest and greatest in your world?
Hey there! It's great to run into you. How's life treating you these days?
I can't believe it's been 5 years since we last caught up. What have you been up to?
Well. Look who decided to make an appearance. How have you been keeping?
Hey, it's good to see your face again. Tell me, what's been happening in your life lately?
It feels like forever since we last connected. Fill me in on what's been going on with you.
Hey! Remember that time when we school? Those were the days. What's been your favorite memory since then?
I've been meaning to reach out to you. Let's catch up and see what we've missed out on.
Hey, old friend. I've been wondering how you've been. Care to share some updates?
Oh my gosh, it's been too long. How have you managed to stay so youthful?
Well, look who's back in town. We've got a lot of catching up to do.
Hey, it's been ages since we last crossed paths. What's been on your mind lately?
I've been reminiscing about the good times we had. Any funny stories you want to share?
Hey, it's good to see you. What's the most exciting thing that has happened to you recently?
Time has certainly changed us, hasn't it? What's something you've learned about yourself over the years?
I've missed your company. Let's grab a coffee and fill each other in on our lives.
Hey there! How have you been navigating this crazy thing called life?
I'm glad we finally bumped into each other. What's been your biggest achievement since we last met?
Hey, it's been too long. What's something that has remained constant in your life?
I've been curious to know, what's your secret to looking so fabulous after all these years? Wow, it's great to see you. Any exciting trips or adventures you've embarked on lately? I've missed our conversations. What's one piece of advice you would give to your younger self? Hey, stranger! Tell me, what's one thing you've always wanted to do but haven't done yet?
I can't believe how much time has passed. What's one lesson life has taught you recently? Hey, it's good to catch up with you. What's something that has made you laugh out loud lately? Well, look who's graced us with their presence. Any new hobbies or interests you've picked up?
Hey there! I've been wondering, what's your favorite song or artist at the moment? I'm so glad we bumped into each other. What's one goal you're currently working towards? Hey, it's great to see you. How have your priorities and values changed over the years? Long time, no chat. What's one thing you've come to appreciate more as time goes by?
Remember, language is a powerful tool that connects us, even across time and distance. By incorporating these modern American English sentences into your conversations, you'll be able to confidently engage with others, share stories, and deepen your connections. So go out there, reconnect with old friends, and embrace the joy of communication. Keep learning, keep conversing, and keep building meaningful relationships. Thanks for watching, and happy conversing. Encouraging to subscribe for more language learning contents.